How to keep Android apps running in the background. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, have you ever noticed that your apps, especially games or social medias, restart every time you switch back to them? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to stop Android apps from restarting in the background. This works on almost any Android phone, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on about phone. Now here, simply look for the build number, and when you find it, tap it repeatedly about 6 to 7 times. And once prompted, you should see a message that says you are now a developer. And now, once you have enabled the developer mode, simply go back to the settings page, and once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for the developer options. And now here, simply tap on developer option, and once you see the interface like this, simply scroll through the developer options until you find background process limit. Now here, by default, it's usually set to standard limit, which lets the system to manage the background apps. But if your apps keeps restarting, you can try it to at most 3 processes or at most 4 processes. This limits how many apps Android can keep running in the background without restarting them when you switch back. And with that, just a reminder that setting a limit that's too low might affect multitasking. So test it out and see what works best for your users. And that's it. Now you have taken control of background apps that used to restart on your Android phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.